Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Zero SRS. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 Zero SRS, with 15,670 miles, passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack. Powered by a Z4 electric direct drive engine, the SRS puts out 111 horsepower and 140 foot-pounds of torque. With about 4 hours of charge time, the SRS has around a 171-mile range. It has a 31-inch seat height and a 518-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured the front tire tread depth at 330 seconds and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the rear grab handle. This bike has 3 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.